If we fail to invest, we leave ourselves vulnerable if another wave of the virus hits.
In a plea for Congress to find more virus prevention funds, President Joe Biden says he's trying to get ahead of the next coronavirus wave before it happens.
Congress, we need to secure additional supply now. We can't wait until we find ourselves in the midst of another surge to act. It'll be too late.
A new strain of COVID-19, labeled Omicron BA.2, has been spreading rapidly around the world in places like Europe and Asia. China has even instituted a new strict lockdown measure for some of its largest cities, including Shanghai. The new virus variant is now outpacing the spread of previous variants and taking over. In fact, according to the CDC, BA.2 now accounts for the majority of coronavirus infections in the U.S. and right here in New York. Overall, things are still looking bright, however. COVID infection rates are significantly lower than what they were months ago, and deaths have dramatically decreased as well. It's wonderful progress, but officials worry that we could slip backwards into trouble if we're not careful. Mask mandates have been dropped, and millions of people are returning to work, to restaurants, and to vacations. The virus has become a second thought for many, and it's showing. New York City has seen its cases jump 43% in the past 4 weeks.
We're now in a new moment in this pandemic. Does not mean that COVID-19 is over. It means that COVID-19 no longer controls our lives. That's what it means.
The latest stats show approximately 65% of Americans have been vaccinated, yet only a third have received a booster shot. As time goes on, the effectiveness of vaccines in our bodies decreases, leaving us more vulnerable to infection and sickness. The FDA just authorized another round of booster shots for Americans with compromised immune systems and those 50 and older. President Biden got his live on camera.
It didn't hurt a bit.
Well, today, President Joe Biden also announced the launch of a new all-purpose COVID website called covid.gov. Right there, you'll find everything you need to know about free vaccines and testing, as well as other information. And today, Tamsin and Corey, we checked around. There are a number of pharmacies right here in New York City already accepting patients for those fourth round of booster shots. We're live in Midtown Manhattan. Steve Couch, Pix 11. Back to